In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage.wix.com. We're going to move from a simple Google search all the way into the Wix editor, where we'll use Wix's built-in AI to add a lightbox to your site, and we'll finish by sending that command so it takes effect. I'll keep things clear and paced so you can follow along in real time or pause as needed. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Wix and hit enter. From the results, click the official Wix website. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual account and make sure you're in the workspace or site you intend to edit. A quick tip: double-check you're on the official Wix domain and consider bookmarking it for faster access next time. Once you're in your Wix account, look for your site's dashboard. From there, choose the option labeled Design Site. This opens the Wix editor for the selected site and brings you into the environment where all the visual changes happen. If you manage multiple sites, glance at the site name at the top to confirm you're editing the correct one before moving on. Inside the editor, find the Wix AI Assistant. You'll typically see an icon or a panel that lets you interact with the AI. Click to open it, then place your cursor in the prompt box. Type the phrase, "Add Lightbox." A quick bit of context. A lightbox is a pop-up overlay that appears on top of your page content. It's commonly used for announcements, email signups, special offers, or any message you want visitors to notice immediately. Keeping the prompt short and direct helps the AI understand your intention. If you prefer, you can always refine details later, but Add Lightbox is a clear starting point that tells the assistant exactly what you want. With your prompt entered, click Send. The AI will process your request and apply the change within the editor. You should see the lightbox appear on the canvas or in the site's Elements panel shortly after. If you notice a brief loading indicator, that's normal. Just give it a moment to complete. When it appears, that confirms your command has gone through. And that's it. You've searched for Wix on Google, opened your site with Design Site, told the Wix AI exactly what to do by typing Add Lightbox, and sent the command to make it happen. As you continue working, remember to keep an eye on the editor's prompts and on-screen notifications so you always know what's changed and why.